So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Keelpest India Limited share. So this particular share was also recommended in the comment section. So I'm making a video on it. So if you have any doubt regarding any share, do mention in the comment section. So today I felt that I need to complete all the videos that the viewers are asking so that everything will be clear to them. So stay updated. I will start uploading one by one video today itself so that everything will be clear. So today we'll discuss about Keelpest. We'll see the basic overview of the company and also we'll see the next possible levels. So we know that this particular share has given a huge run up from March 2020, and we know that later it has started correcting. We know that currently it's in lower circuit. So we'll see again when the reversal may happen. Okay, if you see the current market price of Keelpest India Limited is around 434.60 and it's in lower circuit. So 2% lower circuit is there for this company. And if you see the journey of this stock in 2016, it was almost only around 8.75. Don't go that back as well. If you see in March 2020 also, it was not that run up stock. It was around 60-50 rupees, but later you can see how the movement has come. So what was the main reason for the movement? The first main reason was when it has got the approval for the diagnostic kits for the COVID-19. So because of that main reason, the stock has given a very huge run up, and because of that even the financials of the company have shown to be excellent. You can see the revenue, the profit margin, everything have improved way better if we compare with the previous quarters. So we'll discuss the financials as well. So now we'll see the basic overview, we'll see the shareholding, and then we'll discuss the technicals. Okay, if you see the shareholding summary, you can see that promoter is having almost 38.2%, and if you see public is having almost 61.8%. So major junk is present with the public. So people have invested at March month, definitely they would have earned a very huge amount of profits. So that is what I tell you, need to analyze even the sector. So whenever any pandemic comes or any pandemic leaves, then definitely two sectors will definitely be benefited. Not two, more than two may be benefited, but if you see the sectors which are being benefited right now are chemical sector as well as pharmaceutical sector also. So if you have invested in the month of March in the specialty chemicals or pharmaceuticals, you would have earned great amount of profits. So in that way you need to analyze. Okay, directly you should not take your money and put entirely into blue chip stocks like Bajaj Finance. You don't know, you need to see whether the business will function or not. So that is the main thing. Okay, try to analyze in that sort of it, definitely you will earn profit. Okay, so next important thing is that historical promoter holding. So if we see the historical promoter holding, in June 2018 itself, the promoter was having almost around 43.4%, but later you can see slight decrease was there and almost is having 38.2%. So we can say that major junk is present with the public. After that we have the promoter. Okay, so no major investments of the mutual funds, FIIs as well as DIIs. Okay, when we see the market cap of it, it's almost around 326.30 crore, and if you see industry P is 47.43, and you can see current P is around 443, because it's common because the share has given a huge run up, so that's why even the PE has also increased. And if we see percentage deliveries are almost 100%. Okay, so now we'll see the volume analysis, and also we'll see what the indicators are suggesting, and then we'll see on the charts, which will be very important. So people will have an idea who have entered at high levels and what they want to do. So this was the main thing, the financials which were very good for the company. If you see the revenue, how it has increased, net income has increased. See how the percentage wise, how well it has improved, because during this lockdown period, the COVID-19 pandemic has been a, what we can say, a very good opportunity for the company to generate the revenues as well as profit because of the manufacturing of diagnostic kits, which will be very useful for the COVID-19, especially in hospitals everywhere. These are the useful items. Okay, and next, if you compare in March 2020, when the revenue was almost 77.19 million, and you can see now 529.32. So we can say that much amount of increase was seen if we compare quarter on quarter as well as year on year also. Okay, if we see the returns, which were very great for the company, if you see in 1 month you're getting 35.56, 3 months 169, 6 months 414, and 1 year 417.38% returns, and in 3 years 810.16 returns. So you can see how much returns this particular company has given. That's why you need to see companies which will be benefited during this lockdown period also before itself. Okay, if you put into blue chip stocks, Bajaj Finance, okay, they are on safe side, but this much amount of returns they may not give you in short span of time. So you need to analyze in that sort of way, and I discuss these type of stock. Most of the stocks that I discussed are of these type only. In short span of time it has given very good returns. In long term also it will give, because the fundamentals are also very good. So do watch all my videos and also join the Telegram group so that you will not miss any instant update. Now we see the volume analysis. In volume analysis itself, you can see on 21st August 2020, 100% was seen. Okay, 100% deliveries are maintained. Even the traded quantity, okay, was present almost in monthly and 6 months average, but that also is reduced. So currently it's in lower circuit. Only it will completely depend on the levels, because since the results are also very good, I think the correction should be limited and it should reverse from the levels which now we'll discuss. Okay, so now we'll go on to charts and also we'll see the indicators what they are suggesting. Okay, if we see RSI is near 559.1. Okay, we know that whenever RSI goes below 30, it is called oversold, and whenever it goes above 70, it's called overbought. From oversold, excess buying happens. From overbought region, excess selling happens. So right now that is only happening. Selling is happening in the stock, but the selling will be limited, and people who are holding at high positions, little loss may occur, but you need to have patience. So stock market is all about patience. Since the stock has reported excellent results and also fundamentals are good, then why you need to fear about the company? Don't worry. In short span of time it may give you very good returns. For long term you require patience. Okay, this particular effect of COVID-19 will continue for years, and these companies will definitely make profits and revenues, and share price also will increase. Okay, and money flow index is also near 78.3, which is little bit of overbought region. And momentum is there for the stock, and it was being open between also it was open for few sessions. So that time people who have taken have got struck at that particular price, but definitely you should not panic. My suggestion is that at every fall you can add a small quantity. Okay. So now we are back on the technical chart. So this is the 1-day chart. So 1-day chart is very important. So we do technical analysis basically to find out what will be the next levels, but completely we can't judge these levels. It is just a emotional, we can say. We try to predict the levels based on the supports as well resistance, which are very important. Almost my technicals are almost around, accuracy is almost 85%. So you can watch my previous videos as well. So that's why I mainly focus on the pivot charts as well as supports and resistances. If we see currently it's near 20 EMA. So the red color line is the 20 EMA, and if you see the immediate next supports are around 389 as well as 371. So these are the two major supports. So if it respects that, then definitely you can watch these two levels. And if that also is not respected, then you have the 50 EMA, which is the green color line, which is around 342.95. So these are the three supports for the company. So it may even retrace before that, we can't say anything, but definitely if any retracement is seen, I'll update immediately in the Telegram section. So apart from that, these are only the three supports for the company. So you can see that the stock continuously, it is been in lower circuit, it is not opening in between as well. So that much amount of selling is being seen because it is a huge run up stock. So that's why so many people are also booking their profits. And if you see, money flow index has now started its correction. So let it come to the oversold region. Okay, let it come down. So then only you can say that further reversal will happen. Since the financials are good, fundamental is strong. So why you need to fear? So think twice before you invest in any stock. Focus on the financials, fundamentals, and also the sector. Will it be benefited in the next coming years? Okay, so this is all about Killpest. If you have any doubt regarding any share, be free to ask in the comment section so that I will make a video on it. So until then, take care. Bye bye.